Where does Acorns' money go? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Acorns, a popular investing app that automatically invests your spare change. I've been using Acorns for a while now, and I've been really impressed with it. But I know that a lot of people are still curious about how Acorns works and where their money goes. So, in this video, I'm going to answer those questions and more. What is Acorns? Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick step back and review what Acorns is. Acorns is an app that automatically invests your spare change. When you make a purchase with a linked card, Acorns rounds up the amount to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. For example, if you spend $10.25, Acorns will round it up to $11 and invest 75 cents. Acorns also offers a number of other features, such as portfolio management. Acorns will automatically build a portfolio of stocks and bonds based on your risk tolerance. Goals. You can set goals for things like buying a house or saving for retirement. Tax-advantaged accounts. Acorns offers a number of tax-advantaged accounts, such as IRAs and 529 plans. Where does Acorns' money go? Now, let's get to the question that everyone is probably wondering: where does Acorns' money go? When you invest your money with Acorns, it goes into a pool of money that is managed by Acorns. This pool of money is then invested in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Acorns uses a number of different strategies to invest your money. For example, they may use a strategy called dollar-cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. They may also use a strategy called rebalancing, which involves periodically adjusting the allocation of your assets to maintain your desired risk level. How safe is Acorns? Acorns is a safe and secure platform for investing your money. Your money is held in FDIC-insured banks, and Acorns is also a member of the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, SIPC. This means that your money is protected in the event that Acorns goes out of business. How does Acorns make money? Acorns makes money in a few different ways. First, they charge a small fee for managing your investments. Second, they earn revenue from the interest that is earned on your money. Finally, they may earn revenue from affiliate marketing. Is Acorns right for you? Acorns is a great option for people who are looking for an easy and convenient way to start investing. It's also a good option for people who are new to investing or who don't have a lot of money to invest. However, Acorns is not for everyone. If you're looking for a more hands-on investing experience, or if you have a lot of money to invest, then Acorns may not be the right choice for you. Conclusion. In conclusion, Acorns is a great way to start investing your spare change. It's easy to use, safe, and secure, and it offers a variety of features that can help you reach your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.